Assalamu alaikum everyone. Today I would like to demonstrate an AI-powered LMS that we recently developed for GSET Oman. It helps the university to deliver faster and more accurate assignment feedback while keeping the instructors in complete control. Here is the landing page of the platform. Students can learn how the system works, explore its features, and get started easily. The idea is to keep everything simple, clean, and easy to use. Let's start from the student side. After logging in, students can see all of their assignments in one place. Opening an assignment shows the instructions, learning outcomes, and the marking rubric. This helps students understand what's expected before they submit their work. Once the assignment is ready, the student simply uploads the file. Platform accepts common formats like PDF and Word docs. After uploading, the assignment is processed and prepared for AI review. Now the student can generate AI feedback. The AI reviews the assignment based on the instructor's rubric and creates a draft feedback report. It points out strengths, areas for improvements, and explains the evaluation. This is only a draft. The instructor reviews everything before it's shared with the student. The platform also includes an AI study assistant. Students can ask questions about their assignments, reports, or academic writing. It's there to guide students while the instructors remain the main decision maker. Now let's switch to the teacher's dashboard. Here, instructors can view student submissions along with the AI generated draft. They can edit the comments, add their own feedback, remove anything they don't like, and make sure the report meets their standards. The final decision always stays with the instructor. Once the teacher is happy with the report, they simply approve and publish it. Only then does the student receive the final feedback. Back on the student side, the approved feedback is now available. Students can read the report, understand their strengths and weaknesses, and use it to improve their future work. Teachers can also create new assignments from their dashboard. They can add instructions, learning outcomes, assessment rubrics, and guidelines for the AI. This helps keep the evaluation process consistent for every student. Thank you for watching, and I look forward to connecting with you.